So we won't wait until tomorrow. Our time is now. And with these 7 habits, we'll show you how.
You gotta be proactive. Begin with the end in mind. Put first things first. Big win-win every time.
Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Synergize with your friends, 'cause it's always better when we work together. Sharpen the saw, be the best me, so you can see. There's a leader in me. There's a leader in me. I can lead myself, I can lead my friends, I can do anything. There's a leader in me. There's a leader in me. The 7 habits help me see. There's a leader in me. There's a leader in me. Now you don't have to wonder, there is no need. The 7 habits tell you how you can lead. If some know that you have the answer, know what to do. Don't wait 1 minute longer, it's up to